Hello, my name is Katie Lloyd. I'm an Ag Product Manager for Ziegler Cat, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Regeneration system on your Massey Ferguson Compact tractor. The 1800E, 1800M, 2800E, and 2800M all have emission systems made up of EGR, DOC, DPF, and none of them require DEF, but they all require the regeneration process. The goal of the regeneration process is similar to a self-cleaning oven. It's to eliminate the particles stuck in the DPF. Now let's jump into the cab and I will show you how to use the regen system. Automatic regen will happen at the 50-hour mark on a new machine. After that, it depends on how it's used. You will know it's time for an automatic regen when you see the clogged DPF light indicator flashing on your dash. At this time, continue to use your tractor as normal. Just do not turn off the tractor until the process has been completed. The DPF indicator light will flash before it goes into the process, it will be solid during the process, and it will shut off when the process has been completed. Make sure that your tractor is in an open space away from any flammables during this process because it gives off hot fumes. If you are working in a stall next to dry hay or fueling up and you don't have a safe area to perform the regen process, press and hold the regen shutoff for 3 seconds. This will make sure your tractor does not go into the regeneration process. If you forget to turn this light back off or you keep interrupting the automatic regen process, your tractor will require a parked regeneration. Parked regenerations are necessary to eliminate the particles stuck in the DPF. You will know it's time for a parked regeneration when you see a similar indicator flashing on the dash but with a P. You should get to an open area, turn the rev down on your tractor, set your tractor to neutral, turn your PTO off, and set your parking brake. At this time, you are ready for the regen process. Press and hold the parked regeneration button on your dash for 3 seconds. The indicator light will turn solid, and the process will begin. Your tractor will automatically rev up and perform the process. When it is complete, the light will disappear on the dash and your tractor will rev back down. If you continue to ignore the indicator lights on your dash, your tractor will automatically rev down and you'll hear a beeping sound. At this time, a parked regeneration is necessary. If you see the check engine light come on, stop immediately and call your local Ziegler branch. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact your Ziegler location with any questions you may have.